men's like females also suffer from lot of skin issues. Let it be like acne, pigmentation, along with this, the blackheads, whiteheads and the dryness. But most of the time, men's just overlook them, thinking that they will disappear on its own. Well, let me tell you a truth. This is now how it works. You have to maintain a proper skincare routine for your skin to have that essential ingredients into your skincare which will help in giving you that flawless skin. I'm sure most of the men might be not wanting to do a proper skincare routine. So let me help you and give you the 6 essential skincare tips which is going to make sure that this is going to take care of your skin. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Roshni Mishra and I'm a dermatologist, and today I want to talk about the men's skincare. Do men have a different skincare compared to the female skin? Before jumping onto the skincare, it is very important for you to understand that men's skin is comparatively different to the female skin. Now, men's have a more resilient and a thicker skin, because of which they have excessive production of collagen. Plus, they have a lot of sebum secretion, that is because of the high testosterone level. Now, because of the excessive sebum, this is going to be making your skin more prone for development of acne compared to the female skin. So you have to make sure and take care of your skin comparatively more as compared to the female skin. Now the skincare for the men. Before jumping onto the skincare, first and foremost important thing is to realize what is your skin type. Majorly there are 5 major skin types. First is the oily skin, then is the dry skin, a combination skin type, sensitive and a normal skin type. So before incorporating all the skincare elements into your skincare, it is very essential for you to make sure that you know your skin type. For example, if you are having a oily skin. Now oily skin is basically prone to development of acne. So it is very important for you to look for the products which mention themselves as non-comedogenic. Follow a simple CTM routine. Now CTM routine stands for cleansing, toning and moisturizing. So make sure that you cleanse your face at least twice in a day, which will help in taking away all the impurities and the excess oil on your face. Second step is to choose a right toner which fits according to your skin type. So choose a right toner for your skin type. If not, you can just take a fresh rose water, which is excellent. Lastly, make sure that you moisturize your skin. No matter if you have a oily skin, it is very important for you to moisturize. You can either use a gel based or a water gel based moisturizer. Next very important step is to make sure that you apply your sunscreen daily. No matter if you're thinking that during the scorching summer is the only ideal time to apply the sunscreen, well, let me tell you the truth, it is not. You have to make sure that you apply your sunscreen during each and every day. Along with this, even if you're indoor, make sure to apply your sunscreen. This is going to help in protecting your skin from all the harmful rays and keeping your pigmentation at its bay. Along with this, it is also important to make sure that you choose a SPF which is at least SPF 30 and above. Incorporating the serums. Now serums, they are the powerhouse of all the active ingredients. How can we forget about including the serums into your skincare? Make sure that you choose a serum which is going to be beneficial for your skin type and suitable for your skin type. Along with this, make sure that you always do a patch testing prior to using any kind of serums. Make sure that you apply your serums at midnight before going to bed. That's going to help in the maximum absorption. Along with this, you can also add some night creams. Along with this, the under eye cream, which is going to help in giving you excellent results. Regarding the exfoliation, well, if you want something to have a smoother skin, you have to make sure that you use a chemical exfoliant or a physical exfoliation at least twice in a week. That's going to help in giving you that smoother appearance along with the reduced pore size. The most important step is going to make sure that you apply your sunscreen post application of the chemical exfoliant. Along with this, if you want to add a more tip for this, add a cooling mask for your skincare. This is going to help in hydrating and boosting up your skincare game. The night skincare. Now, most of you might be neglecting the night skincare or before going to bedtime. It is very important that before going to bed, cleanse your face properly. Make sure to apply the toner. Along with this, you can apply the serums which is going to be suitable for your skin type. Cover your under eye area and then moisturize. And lastly, again layer up with a moisturizer. This is going to help in keeping away all the dirt that has been collected on your face throughout the day, plus moisturizing and resolving all the skin issues, giving your skin that flawless appearance. And finally, maintain a healthy diet and level up your hydration game. See, the skincare is just not about putting the products, but also it goes beyond that. It is also important to make sure that you have all the right ingredients into your diet as well. Choose the diet which is going to help in giving you all the essential antioxidants and hydrating properties. For example, incorporating fruits like the watermelon, vegetables like cucumber is going to loads and loads of hydration to your overall body. And the golden rule for any skincare: make sure to have at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Now that's it. This is all about having that healthier and smoother skin for all the men out there. Along with this, if you like the video, please like and do subscribe us. If you have any queries related to the video, please comment it. Thank you.